Hello guys, today I want to show you Blackmar-Diemer Gambit, quite popular on the internet. So it starts from the move d4. Black replies d5, blocks the center, and white plays e4. It actually looks similar to c4, but the difference is that this bishop on f1 can capture on c4 later, and this not actually gambit. So black with white's correct play, black cannot hold this pawn, but this is a bit different. So black's pawn is attacked, and if black plays something like knight f6, then just white wins a center. So black takes, and you see that this pawn is not attacked, so we have to play knight c3 and attack this pawn. So we fight in the center. Knight f6, defending the pawn, and white plays f3. Again attacking the e4, and if black plays something like e6, then you see that white has captured the center. So black takes, and in this position white has two choices, the rider gambit, queen f3, or normally to play knight to f3. So let's take this pawn and play bishop g4, pinning the knight h3, just pushing it away, g4, bishop to g6, and knight e5, for instance. Yeah, in these positions sometimes it's a good idea to play h4, threaten h5, and if black plays h6, then knight can take the bishop on g6 and double pawns on the king side. So this is the position we can expect. Let's play bishop f4, and here we expect from black to play something like knight c6 and bishop to g5, pinning and using our development advantage. Another plan in this position could be to play something like bishop to b5, c6, bishop d3, and play along this f file, yeah, to castle king side and try to create threats on the king side. You see that our pieces are in the center. We will develop this dark square bishop, and black is a bit behind in development. All right, so let's see this trap. If we take, and we take with the queen, this is the rider gambit. White has this pawn on d4 undefended, so black greedily takes it, and we play bishop e3. We want to develop as more pieces as possible and make black defend. So in this position, the best move for black is queen g4, proposing exchange of queens, but we can play queen f2, for instance, for now. But let's say black wants to win another tempo on attacking this b2 pawn. So we play long castles. And black might think, wow, this queen and rook aligned, so I will play bishop g4. And this is actually a trap. Knight to b5. So queen is left attacked, and if black takes, then it's knight c7, checkmate with this rook and knight. And if black plays something like queen b5, then we capture this queen with check, and we can then save our queen by queen f2. All right, so if you're attacking player, I recommend this opening, but if you are more tend to defend, to play very accurately, then maybe you shouldn't try this opening. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.